I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. Thunderstorms remain possible this afternoon as the cold front slowly tracks to the east, mostly in the west and central to the west of Highway 183. Through this evening at 10, could see a few thunderstorms that are severe for west central and southwest Nebraska, along with far western Kansas. The main threats, large hail and heavy rains. Storms decrease in coverage when moving east tonight. Most rain amounts should range a quarter to a half inch, but areas to the west of Highway 183 that see multiple rounds of thunderstorms could see 1 to 2 inches. Better chances of rain for the east are tomorrow. Highs cool into the low to mid 70s tomorrow. A second cold front ushers in breezy north winds Saturday and highs in the upper 50s to the 60s. Frost is possible Saturday night for locations along and northwest of the line from Columbus to the Tri-Cities and Phillipsburg. Highs rebound into the upper 60s to the mid-70s by Monday. Another cold front could trigger a few showers for Monday night, with highs dropping to mostly the 60s for Tuesday and Wednesday. Long-term forecast maintains a mild outlook with Nebraska and Kansas temperatures Tuesday through October 29th staying warmer than normal. Adding to the favorable conditions for harvest is rainfall for Nebraska and Kansas that's mostly below normal Tuesday through October 29th. Checking the regional drought monitor, Nebraska continues at 63% drought-free. It's abnormally dry along the Hamilton-York County line in much of the northern and western Sandhills to northeastern Nebraska and panhandle locations along the Wyoming border. Coverage of moderate drought is steady in Nebraska at 9% and remains over much of the central panhandle from the northwest corner to Alliance and north of Sydney. Kansas dropped 6 percentage points to 75% drought-free. It continues to be abnormally dry from eastern Jewell County to much of far eastern Kansas. Coverage of moderate drought increased 2 percentage points to 10% of Kansas, including many areas from Belleville to Clay Center and Westmoreland to locations along the Missouri border. Key weather factors driving the markets include rain with a cold front tracking across the U.S. through this weekend and beneficial weather across most of South America. A cold front moves to the upper Great Lakes to the plains by Saturday. Scattered showers and thunderstorms expected over parts of the plains, the upper Mississippi Valley, and the Great Lakes through tonight. Tomorrow, showers and thunderstorms move into the mid and upper Mississippi Valley to the Great Lakes before continuing across the southern plains through Saturday. Rain with less coverage is expected during the early to middle part of next week across much of the U.S. Any harvest delays in the plains and Midwest should be brief. Towards the Delta, increasing drought is leading to declining water levels along the lower Mississippi River, and any rain over the next week not expected to produce much of an increase in water levels. Central Brazil wet season rainfall continues to increase for soybean planting and establishment. Southern Brazil through Saturday continues to see widespread moderate to heavy rainfall that is favorable. Argentina soybean planting starts in a couple of weeks, and rain in northern areas today and tomorrow should move into the southern areas by late next week. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.